Hello everyone. Welcome to Wordy Tales. Today we explore Ryan's journey to make his money work through passive income. This 2,000-word story teaches hard work and smart planning, with English lessons to make learning fun. Discover new words, practice sentences, and find motivation to grow your wealth. Stay with us. In a bustling village, Ryan, 25, worked at a grocery store. Known for saving diligently, he felt his money grew too slowly. "I need my money to work for me," he thought. Could he learn to build wealth without another job? His journey to financial wisdom was about to begin. The village thrived with traders and farmers, but Ryan's days were repetitive at the store. He'd saved for 3 years, yet his savings grew slowly. "I want more," he muttered, dreaming of wealth. His mother, a seamstress, advised, "Work smart, not just hard." Ryan ignored her, thinking his job was enough. Villagers admired his savings but saw his impatience. "Ryan's ambitious but stuck," they said. He felt trapped, his dreams bigger than his paycheck. A spark of curiosity stirred. Could he make his money grow without extra hours? A chance encounter would soon change his path. On his day off, Ryan sought Mr. Desai, a wealthy villager known for passive income. "I want my money to work," Ryan said. Mr. Desai, relaxing under a tree, smiled. "Good thinking, Ryan. Passive income starts with a mindset." Ryan's heart raced. He was eager to learn. "I've saved some money, but it's slow," he admitted. Mr. Desai nodded. "Even small amounts can grow with the right steps." The village hummed around them, but Ryan felt a new focus. This meeting was his first step toward financial freedom. Could he follow through? Mr. Desai began. "First, save what you can. Avoid loans for investments. They're risky for beginners." Ryan nodded, his savings modest but steady. "I've saved a bit," he said. Mr. Desai continued. "Work hard, save little by little. That's your foundation." Ryan realized his grocery job was enough to start. "I understand," he said, excited. The village's energy inspired him. Savings were his first tool. Mr. Desai's calm wisdom gave Ryan confidence. He wasn't rich yet, but he saw a path. The first step was clear: keep saving diligently to build his future. Mr. Desai said, "Second, don't rush to buy luxury items. Cars and phones lose value fast." Ryan blushed, recalling his dream of a fancy bike. "Focus on building income, not spending," Mr. Desai advised. Ryan nodded. "I'll wait." The village market buzzed, tempting him with shiny goods, but he saw the trap. "Spending now leaves me with nothing," he thought. Mr. Desai's words sank in. Patience was key. Ryan felt relieved, his dreams shifting from possessions to possibilities. He was ready to prioritize his savings for smarter goals. Third, find passive income opportunities, Mr. Desai said, pointing to village ventures. "Look at Lila's fruit stall. She started small." Ryan was amazed. "Even small savings can work?" he asked. "Yes," Mr. Desai replied. "Explore your skills and surroundings." Ryan noticed a neighbor renting tools. "I never saw these chances," he admitted. The village was full of ideas: Wi-Fi services, small farms. Ryan's mind raced with possibilities. "Start where you are," Mr. Desai urged. Ryan felt inspired, ready to seek opportunities that fit his modest savings and skills. Walking with Mr. Desai, Ryan saw more examples: a woman selling eggs, a man renting bikes. "Small investments grow," Mr. Desai said. Ryan scratched his head. "I missed these." Social media showed similar ventures: online courses, small rentals. "Open your mind," Mr. Desai advised. Ryan's savings felt powerful now, not small. "I can start with what I have," he thought. The village's hustle inspired him. He sketched ideas, his excitement growing. Mr. Desai's guidance opened his eyes to possibilities he'd ignored. Ryan was ready to act, his dreams taking shape. Back under the tree, Mr. Desai said, "Fourth, don't wait for a perfect plan. Start small. Learn as you go. Ryan nodded. I'll try. Mr. Desai warned. Challenges come after you start, so reduce risk with small investments. Ryan felt grateful. Starting small felt safe. I can do this, he thought. The village's energy urged him to act. His sketches became plans for a small venture. Mr. Desai's wisdom gave him courage to take the first step without fear. Ryan was ready to turn his savings into action. Fifth, reinvest profits to grow, Mr. Desai said. Like Rudy, who expanded his Wi-Fi service. Ryan imagined his savings growing. Use profits to scale up gradually, Mr. Desai added. Ryan nodded. So I build step by step? Exactly, Mr. Desai replied. The village's small ventures like egg stalls growing into farms inspired Ryan. I'll reinvest, he vowed. His dreams felt achievable, not distant. Mr. Desai's advice showed him a clear path. Start small, grow steadily. Ryan felt energized, ready to turn his first venture into something bigger with patience and effort. Sixth, diversify your income, Mr. Desai said. Don't rely on one source. Ryan listened closely. Once your first venture's stable, start another, Mr. Desai advised. And spend some profits, but no more than 50%. Ryan smiled. So I can enjoy a little? Yes, Mr. Desai nodded. Balance is key. Ryan saw the wisdom. Multiple streams meant safety. The village's variety of ventures inspired him. He sketched new ideas, eager to diversify. Mr. Desai's words gave him a roadmap to financial freedom. Ryan felt ready to build and balance his income. Finally, be patient, Mr. Desai said. Passive income takes time. Stay consistent, keep learning. Ryan nodded. Don't give up? Right, Mr. Desai replied. Many fail by stopping too soon. Ryan felt empowered, his sketches now a plan for action. The village's success stories, like Rudy's Wi-Fi, showed patience paid off. I'll stick with it, Ryan vowed. Mr. Desai's lessons were clear. Hard work, patience, and learning built wealth. Ryan was ready to start his journey, confident in his new mindset. After lunch with Mr. Desai's family, Ryan left, buzzing with ideas. He decided to start a small tool rental service with his savings. I'll begin small, he thought, inspired by the village's ventures. His mother smiled. You're changing, Ryan. The village felt alive with opportunity. Ryan's laziness was gone, replaced by purpose. He sketched his first stall, ready to act. Mr. Desai's steps gave him a clear path to make his money work. Ryan felt transformed, eager to build his future step by step. Ryan used his savings to buy tools for renting. His stall opened in the market, drawing curious villagers. Small start, he thought, reinvesting early profits. His mother beamed. You're working smart. Ryan's sketches guided his setup, making it efficient. Villagers rented tools and his income grew slowly. Patience, he reminded himself, recalling Mr. Desai's advice. His laziness had vanished, replaced by focus. The village buzzed with his progress, inspiring others. Ryan felt proud, ready to grow his venture with persistence and ingenuity. Ryan's tool rental grew, and he reinvested profits to add more tools. He learned from mistakes, like overstocking. Keep adapting, he thought, following Mr. Desai's advice. Villagers admired his effort. Sanjay's no longer lazy, they said. Ryan started a second venture, selling seeds online, diversifying his income. His mother's pride fueled him. I'm building wealth, he smiled. The village's success stories inspired him to keep learning. Ryan's journey showed that hard work and patience turn dreams into reality. Let's learn. Passive income means money earned with little effort. Sentence. Ryan built passive income with his tool rental. Try. My passive income comes from stories make English fun. Practice daily to build skills. Ryan's journey shows how passive income creates wealth. Keep learning with us. New word. Savings. It means money saved, often in a bank. Sentence. Ryan used his savings to start a business. Try. My savings helped me. Practice English with stories to grow confident. Ryan's effort inspires us. Keep practicing to shine. Word. Persistence. It means continuing despite challenges. Sentence. Ryan's persistence grew his income. Try. My persistence helped me. Learning through stories is exciting. Practice to boost skills. Ryan's journey inspires effort. Keep growing. Word. Ingenuity. It means clever thinking. Sentence. Ryan's ingenuity created his tool rental. Try. I used ingenuity to. Stories make learning fun. Practice daily to improve. Ryan's cleverness inspires us to think smart. Share your progress. Ryan's story teaches that hard work, persistence, and ingenuity turn savings into wealth. Find opportunities, start small, and stay patient. Whether for family or dreams, your why drives success. Ryan went from wages to wealth, showing you're capable of more. Start today. Keep learning English with stories like Ryan's. Practice new words and find your purpose to stay motivated. Subscribe for more tales and tips to grow your skills. Share your goals and let's achieve greatness together. Ryan's journey shows what's possible. Now it's your turn.